Securing your future with reliable insurance is a smart move, and understanding how to get legitimate Allstate coverage is key. It's absolutely crucial to understand that creating or falsifying any insurance documents is illegal and deeply unethical. This guide is dedicated to showing you the legitimate and responsible way to obtain genuine Allstate insurance coverage. The primary and most direct way to get Allstate insurance is by visiting the official Allstate website. Look for sections like Get a Quote or Find an Agent. On their website, you'll typically be prompted to enter some basic information to start your quote. This usually includes your zip code and the type of insurance you're looking for, such as auto, home, or renter's insurance. You'll then be presented with different coverage options and plans tailored to your needs. Take your time to review these carefully, understanding deductibles, premiums, and coverage limits. Alternatively, you can connect with an authorized Allstate agent. They are trained professionals who can guide you through the entire process, answer your specific questions, and help you choose the best policy. Remember, authentic Allstate insurance can only be obtained through official channels. Avoid any sites or individuals offering shortcuts or making unrealistic promises. By following these steps, you ensure you're getting valid, reliable Allstate insurance, protecting your peace of mind and your assets the right way.